Hey Kenneth, my name is Kasper and I'm the owner of LABFRESH. We're designing the most technologically advanced shirts in the world. All natural, no stains, no odor, no nonsense. On top of all that, our clothing is stretchy and breathable. You can wear it to work, on the bike, on the pitch, at home. I know it's hard to believe, but you have to trust me. This is really good. I would love to hear from you.
I love it. When can I drop by? I met Kasper and Lotte. We sat down and talked. We talked a lot. An idea was born. And we're going to design the perfect shirt for guys like me. So first up, of course, the fabric. They said natural, stretchy cotton fabric, then make it enhanced to deal with life. So no stains, no odor, nice and breathable. It literally consists of tiny holes. Now let's pick the colors. Easy. White, blue and navy.
Now the fun part, the design. We're Danish, so let's keep it super minimalistic. And we need the perfect fit.
It should be slim, but not too slim. I hate sloppy sleeves, and since it's stretchy, let's make it tighter. To be honest, I want to wear this shirt everywhere. Under the studio lights, when I cook, playing ball, biking around Amsterdam or Copenhagen. No smell, no stains, plenty of stretch. As comfortable as the sportswear I've been wearing my whole career, but stylish enough to remain one of the best dressed men in the Netherlands. Perfection.